Welcome back. Mutalik cannot be banned without any reason. He has to commit an anti-national or an illegal act. Then only government can think about moving against Mutalik. State BJP chief spokesperson Dr. Wilfred Miskita also said that Congress has lost its moral right of filing a charge sheet against the BJP as public has defeated them in Lok Sabha election. Report card of ministers will be kept in front of public after assessment of their performances.
If any person, whether it is from local or outside, gets involved in disturbing the law and order situation in Goa, he will be taken proper care. No individual, no society, no religion accepts drugs, accepts alcohol and accepts weird sex, or we can call it prostitution. So whatever he says, it is a universal truth, but his modus operandi which is not accepted. The problem is the modus operandi is to be condemned, and we do not need in Goa because we are capable enough. On what basis do you ban?
Oh, this will not ban.
No, you cannot ban. The Congress leaders ought to know that the charge sheets are given by the People's Court. The People's Court have already charge sheeted the Congress government in 2012, and now again just 1 month back. To review is to find out if there is a weakness, and if there is a weakness, to correct it. So nothing wrong in reviewing.
The report card is made public, so will this review be made public?
Yeah. If it is if it's a trivial, it will not. But it is very serious, it will be.
A serious review of the council will be placed.
If there are some serious charges, it will be.
Meanwhile, Kshatriya Yuva Manch and Popular Front of India have demanded rollback of railway fare hike by Modi government.
हे जे वाडप जे आसा हे आमकां मान्य ना. सरकारान हाजेर लक्ष दिवचो आनी सरकारान जनरल पब्लिकाचो लक्ष दिवन हे जे वाडयला रेल फेअर हेका परत घेवचो होच आमचो डिमांड आनी हेकाच लागून आमी आज हांगा प्रोटेस्ट करता.
Bureau Report, Prudent. Private bus rammed into a house at Ribandar near Sao Pedro. Around 20 passengers and driver got injured and were shifted to the GMC. The bus was carrying passengers much above its capacity. Driver lost control and rammed the bus on a house. There was traffic jam along Panji Ribandar Sao Pedro stretch in the evening hours. Traffic was later diverted via Kadamba bypass. A private bus rammed on a house at Sao Pedro in Ribandar. The accident occurred at about 3 in the evening. The bus driver lost his control on the steering and rammed it on a house. People said the bus was carrying passenger load much beyond its capacity. Extra passengers on board were shifted from another bus which had a breakdown on the way.
पणजेसून फोंडा वयताले बरे स्पीडीचेर आसली दिसता बस हाडून ह्या घराचेर मारली आनी पयलीं म्हणल्यार 3 बायलां बसींतून फुडल्या ग्लासांतून भायर पडली आनी मागीर ड्रायव्हर आनी एक फाटल्यान बायल दोनूय बायलेचे आनी दादल्याचे पांय शिरकोन पडलेले. मागीर आमी हात घालून काडले. फायर ब्रिगेडीन सीट बीन कट करून परत लोकांक मातशें इंजरी जाला, तकलेक लागला. हे पळोवन खूब वायट दिसलें. हांगासर बशीकार खूब बशी फास्ट चलयता. पॅसेंजर लोड आसली फूल बस.
हांगा स्पीड ब्रेकर एक जायत नाल्यार आमी आतांच सांगता नाल्यार गोंयान प्रायवेट बशीच बंद करपाच्यो आनी गव्हर्मेंट बशी चालू करपाच्यो. आनी हांव तुमकां सांगता हो एरिया सारको डेंजर जावना. हांगा खुबशे एक्सिडेंट जाल्ले. आतां एकूच न्हू.
Around 20 passengers were injured in the accident and were shifted to the GMC. The bus driver also suffered minor injuries. Driver has also been shifted to the GMC.
दुसरे बशीन चढले मरे ती पाट्यार पंचायत जाली फुडलो टायर इजेर घेतले गेले हांगासर गाडी भायर पावली कंट्रोल गेलो आनी दुर्गा घरान मारली.
कॅबिनान बीन पॅसेंजर आशिल्ले चड
ना 2-3 जाण आसलेले शॉर्टान भायर पडले. कॅबिन में दार उगडे आसले कॅबिनान भायर आसलेले कॅबिनाचे हय दार उगडे आसलेले.
Reporter Devendra Gaonkar and Dinesh Karpe for Prudent. 4 days after the intimation of crime, Mapsa police finally arrested 3 accused in heinous physical and sexual assault against women. Mapsa police on Thursday night arrested accused Adinath Saswe, Sonabai Saswe and Bharti Saswe for brutally assaulting a widow. Police has also booked them for sexually assaulting the victim. Court has granted 7 days police custody to the accused.
Mapsa police finally arrested accused Adinath Saswe, his wife Bharti Saswe and mother Sonabai Saswe on Thursday night at 11:45. Later on Friday, they were produced before the Mapsa court, where the court granted them police remand for 7 days. The victim had first lodged a complaint on Monday regarding assault by Saswe family. She was taken to GMC for the medical examination. The medical report disclosed that victim was brutally tortured. Chili powder was stuffed in the private parts of the victim. Mapsa police said that the victim initially did not disclose about sexual assault as a male policeman was recording her statement. After perusing her medical report, Mapsa police recorded her second statement, and then on Thursday, FIR was registered for physical and sexual assault. DIG KK Vyas told Prudent that a probe has been initiated to find out reason behind delay in registration of FIR and the role of that particular constable who had recorded victim's first statement. Reporter Mukesh Kumar with video journalist Sushant Par for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.